911, what's the address of the emergency?
840 East Dunn, Safeway.
Yes, sir. What's going on?
I have a gentleman in here. He's walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. I asked him...
Is he inside the store?
He's inside the store.
Has he brandished the knife to anybody?
No, but I asked him why he was carrying a knife, and he just looked at me and walked away.
In this video, we're taking a look at a wild incident that went down in Morgan Hill, California. What started as a late-night call about a guy acting weird in a grocery store quickly escalated into a serious police situation. Let's break it down step by step.
There's a guy with a knife just walking around, and he has a bottle in the other hand.
Was it the same guy from a while ago?
I'm not sure. Yeah, he's just walking around in the store.
Around midnight, cops got a call about a guy inside a Safeway grocery store with a big kitchen knife and a wine bottle. He wasn't listening to staff and wouldn't leave. Later, he was identified as 40-year-old Sean Hillman from Van Nuys.
He's over here. He hasn't done anything, just walking around with a knife? Bring Leslito. Leslito. 2-7, I'm going to be out with the manager. There is going to be a BM walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. Do me a favor, ma'am. Can you go that way? Can you guys go that way, please?
Yeah.
153. Can you bring the shield, please? Hey, firm. I'm trying to get the employees out. You want to drop the knife for me? Want to drop it? So far, refusing commands. Drop the knife. Hey, can you guys all get out of the store for me, please? Yeah. Everybody, can you guys all get out of the store?
When officers got there, they told him several times to drop the knife. He didn't listen and just started moving around the store. So what did they do? They evacuated everyone to keep people safe and tried to calm him down. Classic de-escalation. This is important. They didn't go in guns blazing. They tried to talk him down first, which is what police are supposed to do these days.
Hey, which way did he go? Hey, buddy, drop it.
Come on,
drop it, buddy.
Hey, stop. Come
what
on,
are you doing? What are you doing?
No more. You're not in trouble, man.
You're not in trouble. They just don't want you back.
You're not in trouble. Come on.
Put the knife down.
What are you doing, bro?
You need to obey our commands.
What are you doing? You know you're gonna get. This is a lot worse, right? We're literally just trying to talk to you. Did he? Hey, what happened? What happened? Did he hit you? Did he hit you?
Yeah. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop the knife. Failure to comply with our commands may result
Drop
in
it.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Drop it.
Shots fired.
After several minutes of trying to get him to surrender, Hillman suddenly throws multiple wine bottles at the cops and runs at them. One officer shoots, but even after getting hit, the guy keeps going, still aggressive, still throwing things. They had no choice but to fire again to stop him.
Shots fired.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna lose, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's deputies everywhere. There's deputies everywhere, man. Just get down on your knees. Just get down. It's over. 270 shots fired. Get down. Stop.
Stop! Stop! We want to get you help. Get on your stomach right now. We want to help you. Stop! Stomach. Get on your stomach.
Eventually, officers managed to bring him down and give him first aid on the spot. He was taken to the hospital and survived. The victim also went to the hospital with a head injury. No officers were hurt. And you know what? Credit where it's due. The fact that they immediately helped him after he was down says something. They're not there to punish, they're there to control the situation and save lives. This just shows how fast things can go sideways. From a simple call to a full-on use of force. The officers tried talking, they gave warnings, and even gave first aid after. What do you think? Did they handle it right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful. See you in the next one.